In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your funnel in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a product set up with a clear name, description, and price, ready to be used on your checkout or order form inside a funnel. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the payment section. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is where all of your commerce tools live, including invoices, subscriptions, and what we need today, products. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're in the correct workspace before you continue so the product lands in the right place. Next, go into products. This brings you to your product catalog, where you can view everything you've already created and add new items. It's a good idea to keep this area organized, especially if you plan to offer multiple packages, add-ons, or tiers. Click Create Product to start a new product. A setup panel will appear with fields for the basics. Begin by entering the product name. Choose a name that's short, clear, and customer-friendly, since it can appear on checkout forms and receipts. If you offer variations, like basic, pro, or annual, include that in the name so it's instantly recognizable both to your team and your buyers. Now add a description. Keep it concise, but specific. Mention what's included, any key deliverables or access details, and set expectations around usage or duration. This description may show on invoices or checkout pages depending on your setup, so write it as if a customer will read it right before purchasing. Avoid jargon and stick to the essentials, so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Add your prices. Create at least one price point by choosing the currency and entering the amount. If you offer different billing options, such as one-time, monthly, or annual, you can add multiple prices here so the same product can be sold in different ways. Double-check the amounts and intervals, and review any optional settings like trials, setup fees, or tax flags if they're relevant to your business. Accuracy here prevents checkout issues later. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation and your new product will appear in the product list. If you run into an error, it usually means a required field is missing, most commonly the product name or a price. So fill those in and try again. That's it. Your product is now ready to be used inside your funnel's order or checkout step, and you can come back anytime to edit the name, description, or pricing as your offer evolves.